So today we are going with the question answers of metals and non-metals. The first one is, how will you close the circuit using sulfur, carbon or iodine? They may be in powder form. Try to tightly pack the powder in a straw and use it. Think of others. So here a question was given. How will you close the circuit? Please see here, today's first question is in think and discuss. How will you close the circuit using sulfur, carbon or iodine? They may be in powder form. They may be in powder form. Try to tightly pack the powder in a straw and use it. Think of other ways. Think of other ways. So for this answer, first one, a large iodine crystal should be taken it should be placed on a strip of paper and used directly for the purpose. Second point, a wire is taken and filled tightly with powdered iodine or sulfur. The ends of the wire are passed through the holes and dipped in powder. So please see here, how will you close the circuit using sulfur, carbon or iodine? They may be in a powder form. Try to tightly pack the powder in a straw and use it. Think of other ways. How we have to do? A large iodine crystals should be taken. It should be placed on a strip of paper and used directly from the purpose. Okay, and a wire is taken and filled tightly with the powder. Here, this is A wire is taken and filled tightly with powder, iodine or sulfur. The ends of the wires are passed through the holes and dipped in the powder. This is the answer for that. Now second one is which of the samples did not shine even after you cleaned them with sandpaper? Which one will not shine? We have to write about that. Let us go to second answer. So for the second one, which of the samples did not shine even after you cleaned them with sandpaper. So now let us see the answer. All the metals shine after cleaning them with a sandpaper. Brittle and soft powders cannot be cleaned. So see here the very important answer. Which of the samples did not shine even after cleaned them with sandpaper? So coming to here, all the metals will shine after cleaning them with sandpaper. But which one will not shine? The metals like which are which will break and which are very soft powdered nature, they will not shine. But all the metals when we rub with the sandpaper, they will shine. Next answer is, did any one of your friends add steel to the list of metals? Do you think that steel is a metal? This is very important answer. Let us see that one now.
Start.
Now the third answer and very important answer in this first question is, did any of your friends add steel to the list of metals? Question B, do you think that steel is a metal? So for this, the first one answer is, did any of your friends add steel to the list of metals? Means the answer was no. Now for question B, do you think that steel is a metal? For that we are going to write the answer now. Okay, steel is not a please see here the answer. First of all, for the first question, did any of your friends add steel to the metal list of metals means? Our answer is no. Then, do you think that steel is a metal means? We are telling steel shines. Okay, when it falls down, it produces sound. Sonorous. It is sonorous. It is luxurious. It is malleable. It is ductile. These all things are taking place in the steel also. Did you understand? It is having luxurious. It shines. Sonority. It produces sound. Ductility. It converts into white. Malleability. It converts into sheet. When these all things are happening, then steel comes under metal only, no? Then why your friends told no? So for that answer, steel is not a pure metal. Did you understand? It is not a pure metal. It is a mixture of metals, some metals and non-metals. So in the steel, metals and non-metals both are mixed. Okay. Then mainly contains iron. What is present in that one? Mainly contains iron. Iron is a metal only, no? Iron is metal. Then the other metals can be nickel, chromium, manganese, etc. Okay, the other metals are nickel, chromium, manganese, etc. The non-metals can be carbon and phosphorus. What are the metals present in that one? Nickel, chromium, manganese. Now what is main metal in that one? Iron. Total how many metals are present? 4. Iron, nickel, chromium and manganese are present. And what are non-metals present in that one? Carbon and phosphorus are present. Then, so steel is called an alloy. It is not a metal or it is not a non-metal. What we will say it as a alloy. So steel is called an alloy. It is a mixture of metal or a mixture of metals and non-metal. What we will say it is a mixture of metal or we will say it as mixture of metals and non-metals. Did you catch the point here? He is asking whether steel is a metal or non-metal. Steel is a metal and also a non-metal. What are the metals present in that one? Iron, nickel, chromium, manganese. What are the non-metals present in that one? Carbon and phosphorus. So with this today I am going to conclude the class. Thank you.